I'm your host, Bright Learn, and today we're diving into a fascinating conversation with Alosha Linov, a bioarchitecture engineer based in Moscow. Alosha's vision for a harmonious, decentralized community is nothing short of revolutionary, and I'm excited to share the highlights with you. Alosha joined us from Moscow, and he's an expert in biophysics, bioarchitecture, and sustainable living. He's been working on innovative concepts like underground domes, living water systems, and eco-villages that are in harmony with the natural world. His approach is a blend of cutting-edge technology and ancient wisdom, and it's all about creating a sustainable future for humanity. One of the most striking aspects of Alosha's vision is his focus on community design. He's been inspired by the work of Paolo Soleri, who created Arcosanti in Arizona, and he's combining elements from various eco-villages around the world to create something truly unique. Alosha emphasizes the importance of private property, communal spaces, and the integration of natural resources. For example, he's using a 12-pointed geometric pattern to design villages that are both efficient and harmonious. This pattern allows for a mix of high-density and low-density living, with spaces for manufacturing, permaculture, and even glamping. But what really stood out to me was Alosha's deep understanding of the energetic reality of the land. He talked about the importance of identifying power spots, areas where underground rivers intersect and create positive or negative energy. These spots can be used to enhance the well-being of the community, or they can be detrimental if not properly managed. For instance, placing a toilet on a power spot can create a ripple effect of negative energy throughout the community. Instead, Alosha suggests using these spots for things like healing fountains or community gathering places. Alosha also shared some practical advice for people who want to start implementing these ideas in their own homes and neighborhoods. He emphasized the importance of finding pockets of freedom within your current environment. For example, if you're in a heavily regulated area, you might need to look for places where you can experiment with sustainable living without running afoul of the law. He also mentioned the importance of community and the need to create spaces where people can thrive and connect with each other. One of the most intriguing parts of the conversation was Alosha's take on the geopolitical situation. He believes that the current trajectory of America is unsustainable, and he's not alone in that view. He pointed out the challenges of wide-open borders, the collapse of the rule of law, and the erosion of traditional values. While this might sound bleak, Alosha is optimistic about the future. He sees opportunities in places like Russia, where the land is cheap, the regulations are fewer, and there's a strong sense of community. Alosha's vision isn't just about building sustainable homes. It's about creating a new way of life. He's working on developing Earthship-inspired homes that are fully self-sufficient, with integrated greenhouses, solar heating, and water management systems. He's also focusing on creating international communities where people from different backgrounds can come together and learn from each other. One of the key challenges, of course, is funding. Alosha is looking for a mix of community members and investors to help get these projects off the ground. He's hoping that people who are passionate about sustainable living will join him in creating these new communities. He's also open to working with benevolent investors who can help with the initial land purchase and infrastructure development. In the end, Alosha's message is clear. We need to be active participants in creating a better world. He encourages everyone to do what they love and to take action. Whether it's starting a small food forest in your backyard, joining a local eco-village, or moving to a place where you can build your dream community, the important thing is to start somewhere. So, what can you do today? Check out Alosha's website, bioveda.co, and explore his YouTube channel. There's a wealth of information there, and you can see the progress he's made over the past 7 years. If you're inspired by his vision, consider reaching out to him and seeing how you can get involved. And if you're in a position to help fund these projects, your support could make a huge difference.